Hello guys, this is Gabi Tech. Today we will speak about this amazing toothbrush called Oral-B 9100S, an electric toothbrush that will change your life. Let's look at the box first so you will see what I'm talking about. Amazing blue box, very beautiful. As you can see, you know, this is the best technology that electric toothbrushes have to offer. It's easy to use, give you amazing clean results. Let me just open to see the majesticness of the box. You can see the toothbrush inside. With some bells and whistles. This is toothbrush with bells and whistles. You know, of course the price tag is not the most cheap one, but for this quality that I will describe you right now, you will be extremely amazed. You know, not only it's because it's Oral-B, and you know Oral-B are the best at toothbrushes, as far as I know. And you know that amazing 3D oscillating technology that removes the plaque like no other toothbrush. Let me turn the box for you so you can see the back side also. Here is a very beautiful toothbrush. As far as I can say about the Oral-B products till now that I have used, not only this toothbrush but also the manual toothbrushes, I can say that they are very good at what they do. And this is maybe the one of the brand that I heard that is used by dentists worldwide. And especially this toothbrush is best in test for 2018 and 2019. Now I'll open the box and show you. We showed this part here. I really hate opening boxes like this. I'm not genius like the toothbrush, what can we do? Here is the set you receive. You can see the toothbrush body here. And this is the traveling case that charges your toothbrush while you travel. And you also, in the traveling case, I will show you there is USB port for mobile charging. In beautiful black color. Also other colors are available like pink. But I have the black for now. Here I will open and show you the traveling case. Here, from inside. And here is the USB port so you can charge your phone also. Now, what else comes in the box with the set? I said 1 year warranty for free. You see that's the first thing when you open the box and you see along with the toothbrush. Which is very good. I mean, if something happens to your toothbrush while brushing your teeth, you can change it, maybe. Taking out the toothbrush itself. Here, that's the body of the toothbrush. Here you attach the head. I will show you the headset. The head are round, very convenient, and small, round, and with soft fibers, because you know, when it's small and round, it becomes very easy to use even in the most hidden places in your mouth, especially the molars and the back teeth. Here on the toothbrush, you can see there is a on. You turn it on from here, on and off button, and here you change the modes. You have different brushing modes. The first one is daily cleaning. You have sensitive mode. You have 3D whitening mode. You have tongue care and gum care. On the toothbrush, I want to say that, you know, many people when they brush their teeth, they're in a rush, and this toothbrush is special because it has it vibrates in two minutes when you're supposed to finish your brushing. It gives specific vibration after 2 minutes are passed, and every 30 seconds also gives a vibration. So you know, different. It's called quad sensor. Different quadrants in the mouth. It gives special signal when you brush in the different places in your mouth. You can see the types of heads you can use along with your toothbrush here. And this is how to use it with her special specifications. You have the feature list. One of the most amazing things in the feature list of this toothbrush is the pressure sensor. Essential for people with habit of brushing too hard. It limits them when they should stop, so they will not harm their gums. And you know, some people like pressing too much because they like their teeth so crystal clean that they don't know when to stop even. And the quad timer that buzzes every 30 seconds, as I said. And now I will take out the charging station along with the brush heads. This is the charging station. You put the toothbrush here in order to get charged. And here it comes with 3 heads, but now I put my extra heads in the box so I will know where they are. As you see there, this is called 3D head. You see round, small, the fibers are soft. And you have one more type called crucifixion, which the fibers are crossed for easier reach, but now I don't have it here. The toothbrushes, the toothbrush heads you can buy separately from every store, every drugstore. And about the specifications, the most amazing about this toothbrush is the Bluetooth connection. You can connect it to your phone, and there is a specific app, and you can attach it with special thing to your mirror in the bathroom. I'll put it here so you can see it. Here you can see you can attach with this to the mirror, then put your phone here like this, and then you put it on the mirror. You take your toothbrush, you open the application, and from the application you enable the camera, and you can start brushing your teeth in front of your front camera. And then you do it like with this quad sensor. You brush different quadrants of the mouth, specific 30 seconds each one of them, while each 2 minutes. And then your phone and your toothbrush give you points for brushing, which can be like very good or excellent. You know, this the battery life. I forgot to mention a very important thing about it, the battery life. 12 days of 2 minutes of brushing every day. Afterwards, you use a charging station to charge your toothbrush. I already showed you the brush set. The most amazing about this toothbrush is that the fine technology with the Bluetooth and everything, and the mobile app, how you can connect it, that I will show you guys after a couple of minutes. I will show you how the toothbrush works also. For example, I will choose one head from here. I will attach to the brush. It's brand new. That's how it works. That's called daily cleaning mode. Then you have 3D white mode. As you see, the oscillations of the toothbrush. Then you have gum care. Did you see that buzzing? That means 30 seconds passed. And then you have tongue. About the tongue cleaning. And if I let it work like around 2 minutes, it will stop. For example, if you want to brush and afterwards you have the Bluetooth here, the Bluetooth sign that shows if your toothbrush is connected to your phone. And the battery. The lifespan of the battery here is showed. You can see the charging cable here. Stop it tangling. Here, this is how you charge your travel case from here. And I will show you guys now perfect view of the full set of the toothbrush. Here is the mobile app, as I said. By the way, it has like a GPS tracker. Like if you don't know where is your toothbrush, you can find it through the app. If you forget it, for example, in another country, you will know that you did that, and you will feel very sorry because it's expensive. Here you have Oral-B product section, dental care journeys, last brushing summary. You can see last time you brushed your teeth, did you reach the 2 minutes or you didn't? It seems unhappy. You almost reached the 2 minutes, but not enough. You press here more details. How many minutes you brushed your teeth exactly last time you brushed them. And that's called the dental coaching. And here you can set up a reminder how old is your brush head, so you will know that you should change it very, very frequently because there are many bacteria that stick to it. You can set up a reminder here. You can start here, for example, how you brush your teeth. This is the timer. You can on and off your position detection from here. Here you have also news section. Here reminders how to have clean tongue, gum bleeding tracker. Cleaning your tongue helps keeping your breath fresh. Flossing. Basically, very well developed rinsing, morning, afternoon, evening. And you check here, that's your checklist, that's your dental care checklist. Basically, pretty well developed mobile application about dental care. And if you do everything right, like brushing 2 times a day for 2 minutes, you changing your brush frequently enough, flossing and doing everything, you will do the perfect oral care without being concerned about bad breath, caries, and stuff like this. So I totally recommend this brush. The price range, it's not if the price is expensive for you, you can go to the same 3D oscillating mechanism line of Oral-B. They're more affordable model because of all of these features, as I said, the Bluetooth and everything. But for my opinion, if you want to invest good in your oral care, because dentist is still more expensive than a toothbrush, so you can take this. This was Gavitech. Thank you for watching this review. Be sure to click the like button and the ring bell so you will be always aware of what I am doing. Thank you very much, guys.